In the vast world of insects, an unlikely partnership has formed a relationship that is both simple and complex, delicate and powerful, the bond between ants and aphids. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that feed on plant sap rich in sugars. But there's a catch: they can't digest all the sugar they consume. Excess is excreted as a sticky, sweet liquid known as honeydew. Ants have an incredible sense of smell, and the scent of honeydew is irresistible to them. For ants, honeydew is a prized food source full of energy-rich sugars. To harvest this sweet treat, ants have developed a careful method. By gently stroking the aphids with their antennae, they prompt them to release droplets of honeydew. In return, the ants drink the sugary reward. But the relationship doesn't end with a simple meal. The ants become loyal protectors of the aphids, fiercely defending them from predators like ladybugs or parasitic wasps. To the aphids, the ants are like loyal bodyguards, safeguarding their colonies. In return for this protection, aphids allow ants to move them to new feeding grounds, often transporting them to younger plants where the sap is plentiful. This way, aphid colonies stay healthy and productive, ensuring a steady supply of honeydew for the ants. During colder months, some species of ants take their partnership a step further. They carry aphid eggs to their nests, giving them a warm, protected space to overwinter. When spring arrives, the ants bring the aphids back to the surface, resuming their cooperative cycle. In this tiny yet intricate world, ants and aphids have crafted a mutualistic bond. For the aphids, it's survival. For the ants, it's sustenance. A simple exchange that fuels a delicate balance in nature's vast tapestry.